काँग्रेसाचे बारा रावन हें दाखोवंक सोदता म्हणजे आमची लीड आनी तशेंच बरें काम तांचे वर्कर्सां बराबर रावन काँग्रेसाचे खूब वर्कर आसा थंय तांचे बारा रावन एकठांय रावन हें इलेक्शन मुखार व्हरोंक आनी बरी लीड दिवपाक म्हणटा. Most of the time I was with the BJP government. So lot of promises made, but nothing is done. So I feel that this is the time that I should go with the Congress. म्हाका दिसता आज हांवें काँग्रेसाक खूब पयले जॉइन जावंक जाय आसलो. आज लेट जाला, लेटूय जावन तर हांव तांचे बराबर फूल स्विंग वचोन हें काम करतले आनी आमी सावथाचे सीट 100% आमी जिखोवन दाखयतले.
But this government, current government, has been opposed to special status for anybody, and we have not taken any stand of that sort. So we will consider the demand on its merits and go into it in the course of the year.
Tiny small state, and people are.
Well, we are certainly focused also on the coastal zone, right? We are also focused significantly on environment. We have two sections, one on environment and one on climate change, disaster management, etc., where all these things are intertwined. We have to make sure that land is protected, that the people of the state get to ensure that the land remains with them,